Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to make Kunafa pudding, a truly delicious Middle Eastern dessert. This classic treat combines crispy, shredded dough with a rich, creamy filling, all soaked in a fragrant sugar syrup. It's a wonderful dessert for any occasion, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure your homemade Kunafa pudding is absolutely perfect. Let's get started on this sweet journey. To begin our Kunafa pudding, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of fine Kunafa dough, often labeled as Kadhafi pastry. For that signature richness, have 1 cup of melted butter or ghee ready. Our creamy filling calls for 2 cups of whole milk and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Finally, for the sweet syrup, prepare 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Now let's assemble our Kunafa pudding layers. First, take your Kunafa dough and gently shred it into small, manageable pieces. Then, thoroughly mix it with your melted butter, ensuring every strand is coated. Press half of this buttered dough firmly into the bottom of a greased 10-inch baking pan. Next, prepare your creamy pudding by cooking the milk and cornstarch until it reaches a thick consistency. Once cooled, spread this delicious pudding evenly over your first Kunafa layer, leaving a small edge. For the grand finale, cover your creamy pudding layer with the remaining buttered Kunafa dough, pressing it down gently. Bake your Kunafa in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes, until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Meanwhile, prepare your simple syrup by simmering 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Once baked, immediately pour the cooled syrup over the hot Kunafa, garnish with crushed pistachios, and serve warm for an unforgettable dessert.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.